guys, Fatbeard420 here. We're back with another brand new FIFA 22 pack video. This time we've got 32 rare gold player packs. I've just been grinding these for the last hour or so. Man, it was mind-numbing. But we're here. We've got 32 rare gold player packs plus one prime mixed player pack that I've got. Don't know why, probably an objective. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's go with the first pack. First one, we'll go for the second one. What we get? Can we get a walkout? At least a couple of walkouts here, I'd be happy. Oh, we've got Flame centre backs, Kier. 83 rated Kier. Go with the second pack. We get second pack. Give us a walkout, please. Bench, CDM, Milan again. Bakayoko this time. 2 packs, 2 AC Milan players. Let's go. So guys, what have you been thinking of the game? What do you think of the gameplay so far? I'm currently on PlayStation 4 on my cell. I'm currently on PlayStation 4, so the gameplay's a little bit iffy, to say the least, but I've been watching streams on the next gen and it looks fabulous. So as soon as I can get my hands on the console, I will do. Go on to the next one then. Oh, we've got a walkout here. German centre mid, Real Madrid, Tony Kroos. I've already got him in the club. This is a duplicate and it's not even tradable. With no SBCs to put. Can we recover him? Quick selling a walkout. Only walkout we've got so far and we've had to discard it. It's a duplicate. So we're going to the next pack. Next pack then. Let's go. Please give us someone good. Oh, Flares. Talking about Alaba. 84 rated, 77 pace. Decent enough card, to be fair. Decent enough. What does he actually go for? Around 11k. Bad card. These packs ain't that bad. They really ain't. A lot of decent cards. And we get that one. Yikes. Azrui. Azaruia. $570 coins in the bank. $23 of these open. To open. This rate, it's going to take a while, it's so slow. Right wing, Real Madrid again. Rodrigo this time. Real Madrid and AC Milan is like the only clubs we have got from these packs. The opening cards. A bad little card though, Rodrigo. Usable. Players again, Argentinian striker, Hardy. I think I've already got him untradeable. I know he's tradable. That's about 1k. Pennies right now, isn't they? We're gonna get a Ronaldo, we're gonna get a Messi, we're getting someone big. I can feel it. An icon. Come on. Absolutely. This isn't good enough. French. this guy tradable? Yes. So what's the best packs any of you guys have had? Let me know in the comments below from these upgrades. My friend, he had the Oblak, is the best he's got from, because I got Toni Kroos, he's my high rated, I've got him twice. Obviously there's another AC Milan player. Wow, this time Rebic. 3 AC Milan players and 3 Real Madrid players. Out of the what, 8 packs or so that we've done. Let's move on to the next one. CDM. Bruno Gomes. We just got rid of him as well. So far in this game, I think I've bought like 28,600 or 30,000. Plus I got my 4,600. It's been okay. Some of the packs have been okay. The promos is what we're looking forward to though. They're out tonight, I do believe, for the one to watch. Left mid. Another AC Milan player, Rebic again. Wow. Wowee. Yeah, these are pretty poor. 16 of these left to go. Had one walkout. And that is Toni Kroos, who we've had to discard. We've got another forward, centre mid. Ilkay Gundogan, 85 rated. Not the worst. Akimbu, see ya. Carrillo. Is he tradable? Yes, he is. At least we're getting some coins back, at least. The next packs. Portuguese. Tres Silva. Yay. Real Madrid. So we've had 4 Real Madrid players and 4 AC Milan players. This is our 19th one. It's Bakayo Saka. Jonathan Vieira. I ain't gonna lie, these first 9 left plus our prime mix pack. Oh, fuck, I was gonna give you Real Madrid. Would have been worth it if it gave us Mendy. We could have sold our one. But he's tradable. Sell again. Wow. Wowie. I'd strongly advise against doing these. I'm saying I've seen a lot of luck online, I just don't have it. I don't have it. I'm getting the 83s and the 84s, but they're just all meh. There's no a nose pack, no look. Or not. Ugh, crap. It's just no one that's getting me excited. All these 83s will probably be worth a fortune by 7 o'clock tonight. Oh shit. What am I doing? I don't even know what I'm doing. Spanish again. It's the dreaded flag, isn't it? The Spanish flag. I can't think of any decent Spanish player that I'd want. Maybe Ramos is only a half decent player. Hermoso. But a lot of centre halves has got 70 plus pace this year, didn't there? Here we go then, lads. The final two. Pick the middle one. We've had one walkout on 88. Oh, it's Hernandez again. Hopefully we can get these all back from the discard bin, if that is still a thing. The final one, it is nothing. Go on, boy. Oh, there we have it. 32 rare player packs. For me, they didn't pay out. For you, they may pay out, but yeah, definitely did not pay out for me. 88 Tony Kroos was the highest rated player we had. We already had him as a duplicate untradeable, so we went straight to the bin. And here we go, that was from our prime mixed players pack. The pack luck for me is rubbish. Certainly would not advise to spend any money on the packs. Keep your money. Watch people open packs. Much funner. So yeah, that's it. 32 rare gold packs gone. No one. Thanks for watching. We'll be back again with another video. Take care. God bless.